It's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. Happy Thanksgiving. Check it out. I got my gobble 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 t-shirt on today. And oh my gosh, it's 11:30. We're not cooking because we bought Thanksgiving dinner yesterday. First time we've ever done that. And you know what? It feels pretty good. My mother is making mashed potatoes and the vegetable on the side. But the fact that we don't have to cook the turkey is actually really kind of fun. So I've got time to do a video this morning. Oh my goodness, you guys. Bath and Body Works and the laundry detergent. So I think I seriously need to start using Bath and Body Works laundry detergent now. With these holiday scents. So I've kind of been hooked on the Tide Free for years. But you know what? I'm going to try this when I get it. I still haven't even tried. I've got the lavender vanilla one, which actually smells really good. I got to say, I didn't think laundry detergent would be popular, but a lot of people are super excited about this. It's all over my lip. And it smells good. I don't know. I got to try it. I think I'm going to be hooked on this. I have a weird feeling that once I try it, I'm really going to like it. So, that's the laundry detergent. This is what the bottles look like. And then there's a fragrance booster. The holiday scents do not come in the fragrance booster beads. These look like, how can I get this off? What the heck? Oh, there we go. There we go. This is what the beads look like. They're like these little, I don't know, fragrance booster beads. I don't even know how to use these yet. I gotta figure it out. So I got one of these in champagne toast, but I'm more excited, I think, about the laundry detergent. So today, Black Friday started early at Bath and Body Works. Buy three, get three, entire store, plus the extra 20% off your entire purchase. I literally, this morning, I was up at like 6:30. I did my order. I got my reindeer bling. I got like 6 of them. I don't even know what I got. It is so hard to shop online with the buy three, get three and match everything. I got some gift sets. I got pocket bags. I got the laundry detergent. I got some refillable hand soap. But yeah, I get a lot of different stuff. And I was really excited. So the laundry detergent is actually a member exclusive. So you have to sign in order to see the deal. And I highly recommend you mix and match these for the $19.95, unless you find something else for $19.95. So $19.95 divided by 2, you're going to pay $9.97 each, minus the 20%. It's going to be $7.98 each. And if you get 6 of them, it's going to be $47 for 6 of them, which is the lowest price I think we've seen on the laundry detergent. So the new member exclusive ones are Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel. I got those. I got Twisted Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple. I don't know why. I just didn't get Winter Candy Apple. I'm like, that smell might be a little intense. So what do I get? I get Norwegian Pine. I'm like, why did I get Norwegian Pine? I'm like, do I want to smell like pine? I think I do. This one is Frosted Pine, Crisp Eucalyptus, and Orange Zest. I don't know. This might be a little bit intense. I don't know. What do you think? They've also got White Birch, which is Golden Amber, Vanilla. What does that say? It's like a typo. I can't even read it. It's vanilla something and white birch wood. I don't know. It looks like maybe orange. It's all like garbled. And then we have Fresh Snowfall, which is Crisp Winter Air, Cozy Musk, and Snow-Covered Cedarwood. I didn't think I was going to like that one. By the way, interesting, the buy online, pick up in store. I wanted to figure that out today. So I'm going to go to like a product and it says available for shipping in stock at Great Lakes Mall where I shop. So I'm like, it looks like they're doing, I mean, you can't do the laundry detergent because it's online. But I'm like, oh my gosh, are they doing buy online, pick up in store for like tomorrow? I can't even imagine what's going to be happening in the store tomorrow with all these people picking stuff up. So, kind of interesting. I don't know. It looks like you can pick it up. I was like, whoa, wait, let me see. Wait, is there, I don't know. I have never done this before. Let's see. It says, set location, please order. We'll have it waiting for you. I'm like, I cannot believe they're doing this on Black Friday. This is like, it's cool if you're ordering, because then you can save the $6.99 and get the 20% off. But I feel like, oh my gosh, the associates have got to be really, really overwhelmed right now. So, I don't know, you guys, today is the day to shop. I can't imagine anyone not wanting to get that extra 20% off. I really feel like this is going to cause a lot of people to either buy online, which I did this morning, or buy online and pick up in store, because that 20% off is huge. Especially, you know, if you've got like $100 order, you're going to save $20 on top of the buy three, get three, which is a really good deal. You don't have to use a coupon. I know a lot of us don't have extra 20% off coupons. So my advice is shop today for Black Friday. I will be on later. I got more videos for you guys today. I'm going to eat my store-bought Thanksgiving dinner. And then I'll be on tonight. We got a lot to talk about. So hang out with me. Let me know what you're shopping for. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.